Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. And
the occasion will take place in KZN at Tekwini at the place called the People's Park. This is not far from Moses Mabhida Stadium. Those that don't know where it is, I think if you find Moses Mabhida Stadium, you'll find People's Park, where God's atmosphere will ensure that coronavirus is blown away and not passed on between the attendees. It's going to be sort of in an open area. The starting time will be around 10 o'clock. Everyone is welcome. There will be no accreditation, so no one is going to be asked to have any accreditation. Everyone is welcome to attend. This is the people's hero, so there will be no restrictions. Everyone is welcome to attend, and we hope that the session will be a very successful session. I will leave it there.